I'm a full-time software engineer and welcome to my channel. So in this video I will tell you about my experience at AWS Summit 2025 event, and in this video I will cover how I did the registration, how I got the ticket, and what are the swags I got from there, and is it free or not, is student is able to attend the event or not, and how was the experience there. So all the things I'm going to cover in this video, so stay tuned till the end to see all the details, to check all the details of AWS Summit event. So firstly, let's start with registration. Go on a Google and search for AWS Summit Mumbai, or whatever your city is, you can search for, and you will see like what next event where it is. You can see there, and you can hit the registration now button, and you will redirect to this form where you can fill up all your details. Yeah, it's absolutely free for students and working professional. You don't need to pay anything for anywhere in this event, not even for food and for goodies and for ticket. You don't need to pay. Everything is free. And here you can select if you are coming for personal, and you are coming for business, you can select there. And for the job title, I will say for student you can select student, and if you are working professional then you can select your role. For company, what you can do, if you are a student you can put your college name, and if you are working professional then you can put your company name. And for the industry you can put, if you are a student you can put like non-profitable or education kind of thing. And for working professionals you can select whatever your company do. For company type also you can put education, and rest of the thing you can fill up as per your detail. And at the end you can just hit on registration. Within a week you will get your registration confirmed mail, where every detail will be written, like when the event is, what is the arrival timing for that, when you will get your e-ticket, and what you need to carry while coming, like the government ID you need to carry. And before 2 or 1 day you will receive your e-ticket from AWS, like where all the details will be written, like you need to bring the government ID. If the early bird swags will be there, then there will be written like early bird swags, the first 1,000 attendees will be receive that. So you can see that all this kind of mail you will receive, and this kind of ticket you will receive when you click on e-ticket. And yeah, it's already ready. That's why the check is on the QR code. bags I got from there. So firstly I got this bag from there. It's written here like AWS. So it was for the early birds, like first 1,000 people will get this bag. And then I got this sock from Datadog. And then yeah, that's the and template for Datadog. And it's of cloud span. And I got some stickers from AWS, like some more stickers from AWS. And I got a bag from Akamai where there was a quiz. And in that quiz I answered the 6 answers correct, so that's why I got the bag. Some of I'm getting the cups, and some are keychains, and this is also I got from AWS only. And yeah, not really much. Yeah, this is also a book I got from there. And some more stickers I got, like there are some more. I think some of I used in at my laptop. And also I got one photo from there. You can see here, maybe it's not properly visible, I'll add in. So the photo I got from there, like there was a studio kind of thing, and then I got this photo. So that's all the swags I got from there. And you should attend the event to do the networking, to get some swags, and to know the peoples also. Like there were so many peoples came to learn about the startups, to learn about the apps. There was a MongoDB, Datadog, Akamai, GitLab, and Style Me, kind of Gen AI Style Me. So all the like booth was there. So it was really good experience for me. And I hope you like this video, and if you like the video, then like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching my video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.